This is your astrological forecast for Monday, October the 26th. My name is Kat. You're watching the Soul Sister channel. So let me ask you guys, anyone feeling like they want to kill somebody? Ooh, you just want to strangle them? Anyone out there today on this Monday who are just, it's not funny, but they broke up with us, or our relationship ended, and we are just, I call it, we are in the emotional abyss. We are so sad. We are beside ourselves in grief. These are the kind of emotions we're feeling today with that Sun in Scorpio energy, and also with the Neptunian energy that is playing out all week. Oh my goodness, I was so into my intense Scorpio emotions, I completely forgot that they were a segue into us taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths so that we can settle down and become balanced, aligned, and connected to our higher self. So let's take our first deep cleansing breath. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, all negativity, all toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We can see all the darkness, all the negativity. It's all flowing out of our bodies and flowing away. In its place, we see this beautiful white light filling our bodies. This white light is made up of white light, love, and the will to good. It fills our entire bodies, and then it goes out and forms a protective bubble around us. This bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we will say our Sun in Scorpio affirmation. Spiritual warrior am I. From the battle, I emerge triumphant. We'll say the affirmation together. We'll stay in this space connected to our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. Spiritual warrior am I. From the battle, I emerge triumphant. Good, good, good. I'm sorry for any of my editing with this, but I did completely forget to do the deep breathing, the most important part, especially when we're dealing with these intense emotional feelings of Scorpio. So be aware of that and how those intense feelings are affecting our lives, and what we need to do to either move through the grief, process the grief, or what we need to do to heal, to realign, to transform ourselves. What we need to do if we need to take our power back, to reclaim our power. So these are the feelings. Intense. Oh my gosh, Scorpio is so intense, which is kind of good this week, because today, Monday, is the only day that we're going to feel productive at all. And this isn't a day to start anything new. We do have a moon voida course on this Monday, going from 10:11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time through 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So not a day to start anything new, sign any contracts, but there is a lovely trine between the moon, Jupiter, and Mars today that gives us the energy to finish up, to finish projects, finish up our to-do list. That is where the energy is going to be. And once today goes by, energy's not even going to be there really to support it. It's going to be a real struggle to do anything physical. We're not going to be very connected to the physical realm outside of our obligations for the rest of the week. So having said that, knowing that, it's a great time to make sure that we're grounded. And that might be weeding the garden, really getting into the earth, cleaning the house, organizing, doing something earthy to bring that groundedness back for us, because we're in la la land all this week, except for today. Today we have enough energy behind us to get what work we need done. But as I said, not a day to start anything new. And we are learning about this new energy coming in, this very intense emotional energy, and kind of learning how to work with it and how it is affecting us in our lives and what the heck we're going to do with it, right? So let's see, that's it for today. Get it done, get your to-do list out, be productive. Whatever we've been putting off, this is our best day to get those projects finished, get that work finished, because the energy's not there the rest of the week. All right. I love you, Spirit. Thank you. Time for a nap. What do you think about that? Yeah. Time for a nap. This is it. If we want to get it done, because other than that, ain't nothing gonna happen this week. Orphaned. Now this message goes out to whoever of us from yesterday and today have have ended their relationship. Whether we had to end the relationship to reclaim our power, or outer world events happened that a partner ended the relationship, we are experiencing loss, grief, sadness. We just don't feel like we belong anymore. But what we need to do is process those emotions. And we need to try to understand, look within ourselves during this nebulous week, and where we're in our minds and our emotions. Why we keep attracting relationships that are toxic, that take our power from us. What is that all about? Usually it's about us feeling unworthy and that we don't deserve anything better. And what we need to be reminded of is that we are, every single one of us, divine beings. Every single one of us. No one is loved or cherished more than the other. So we have to get back to that as we process the grief of the separation. And finally, fork in the road. If we haven't made that decision yet, if it's coming full upon us, we need to make the decision that honors ourself, our growth, our support, that nurtures us and embraces our power instead of trying to take it from us. Hard stuff. I'm sorry to hear that some of us are going through these relationship issues, but these issues are to teach us, to help us come to a better understanding of who we truly are and what we truly need in our lives to make us happy and to feel fulfilled. That's what these lessons are all about, and to reclaim our power. Have a great Monday. Get it done. If we have anything left on our to-do list, get it done today, because the rest of the week ain't going to happen. And come see me tonight for your Tuesday forecast. And don't forget the keynote for the Soul Sister channel. Life is lived from the inside out. Have a great Monday. Namaste.